Assalamu alaikum. Lesson number 17, second Hijri year of Madani life. After the migration, the polytheists of Makkah started attacking the Muslims. The Battle of Badr was fought in which 1,000 polytheists fought against 313 Muslims. Allah helped Muslims and the polytheists were defeated. After that, a Jewish tribe of Medina, Banu Qaynuqa, violated the agreement and were expelled from Medina. In those times, some people of Medina used to express their faith with their tongues but in fact were enemies of Islam. They are called hypocrites. Their leader, Abdullah bin Ubay, claimed to accept Islam this year. In 2nd Hijri, Allah ordered the Kaaba to be the Qibla instead of Baytul Maqdis. The lessons are: Allah helps those who serve Islam. Always stay away from hypocrisy. Follow Allah's commandments even if they are against your will. Important events of the 2nd Hijri are Badr and Qaynuqa, hypocrite Abdullah bin Ubay, change of Qibla. For details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.